In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a sent or scheduled marketing email in Hubspot. This quick and easy guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can manage your marketing emails effectively. Let's get started by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. If you haven't already, open up your browser and type in hubspot.com. This will bring you to a welcoming page filled with helpful tools for your business. On this page, you'll find the login button at the top right corner, which is your gateway to accessing all the features HubSpot has to offer. Click on it to enter your login details. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home. Here's where you can manage and navigate various aspects of your account. From the dashboard, you want to look for the commerce section. By clicking on commerce, you'll enter the space where you can manage your marketing communications, among other things. Now, to focus on what concerns us today, direct your attention towards the email option within commerce. This area is dedicated to managing all aspects of your marketing emails. Once you click there, a list of your emails should appear on your screen. At this point, you'll need to select the specific email you want to cancel, whether it's scheduled or sent. Go through your list and click on the email you wish to manage. Clicking on the email opens up details and options related to that specific message. With the email details in front of you, look for the Actions button. This is typically located somewhere on the top or right hand side of the screen, depending on your settings and layout. Clicking Actions will reveal a drop down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find Cancel Scheduled Email. Click on it to proceed. By clicking Cancel Scheduled Email, you effectively halt the email from being sent out at the scheduled time. It's important to note that this step only applies to emails that haven't been sent yet. If the email has already been sent, unfortunately there isn't an option to retract it. Remember to always verify your schedules before the send out time to ensure everything is how you want it. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the process of cancelling a scheduled marketing email in HubSpot. This skill is particularly handy when changes arise unexpectedly and you're required to adjust your marketing strategies on the fly. By following these steps, you ensure that your communication is timely and relevant, enhancing the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to explore more of our videos or reach out for support. Happy emailing!